Traditional meditations just don't do it for me. But a walk through the forest, that's my meditation. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. As you walk through this forest, feel the connection beneath your feet. The earth, strong and steady, is holding you, supporting you with every step. Take a moment to notice the sounds around you. The rustling of the leaves, the chirping of birds, the whispers of the wind through the trees. Each sound is a gentle reminder that life is all around us, thriving, growing, and flowing. As you walk, let your heart open to appreciation. Be grateful for the journey, every step you've taken in your life, the challenges you've overcome, and the lessons you've learned. Feel gratitude for your body, your mind, and your soul, for their strength, their resilience, and their ability to bring you to this moment of peace. Now place your hand on your heart, either physically or in your mind. Feel its steady rhythm, the gentle reminder that you are alive, connected, and part of something greater. Let the forest guide you into a deeper sense of presence. Each tree, each stone, each breath, it all whispers a quiet truth. You are enough, just as you are. As you continue walking, carry this gratitude with you. Let it fill your steps with lightness, your heart with peace, and your mind with clarity. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, smile softly, knowing that this moment, this sacred connection to nature and to yourself, is a gift. You are grounded. You are connected. You are grateful. If you could walk anywhere in the world for peace and relaxation, where would it be? Drop a comment down below.